From the British street, the popular and quite alive bars and happy tourists, the beach restaurants and bars, plus the visibly quieter Levante beach all of a sudden that still has a yellow flag on it. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to the gorgeous Benidorm town just a few days before September month will hit. There's still quite a bit of movement. Jet to holiday buses are passing along, bringing tourists to Benidorm, picking them up to go back home. And the local British street bars are quite busy with people, families, couples, solo travelers. A little bit of everything is available out here in the area. The sun is shining. People are grabbing their beers, their bucket deals, cocktails, different types of drinks, and overall just enjoying a sunny terrace here in the city. Tourists are happy, locals are happy, everyone's happy because the heat wave is long gone and there shouldn't be any, honestly, here from now onwards. So we're all glad. And as you can see, people are enjoying their best sunny day here at the Jumping Jacks. There's an incredibly huge terrace that they have, and there's sun almost all day long. So people know it, people love it, people visit it. Quite a lot of people in the nearby $1 million disco pub / bar. Quite a few tables occupied. People are having a lovely day. People are having a lovely day and just enjoying what Benidorm offers right now. It is very tolerable to stay outside from now onwards, so we couldn't be happier. We can spend more time outside in our lovely city. The Yorkshire Pride here nearby, we've been here just a couple of days ago. We filmed their breakfast. Incredible service. Let me tell you guys, I get why it's so busy every single day and why there's even a queue to be seated. In front, we have Andy's, simply the best. Also, one of the top places for some drinks here in Benidorm on the British street. Real lovely atmosphere, friendly staff. Planet Benidorm is also a very good place. People are dancing out there. It's also a very good place to go. We love their Sunday roast. Incredible. Breakfast is also very good quality. Kitchen open from early morning. Lovely place. It's not that busy. Usually, I don't know why, but let me tell you, maybe it's because it's not like a pub place as per se, maybe that's the reason why, but their food is really good. So try it out. We have honest review playlist and there's so many places that we've tried, plus the Benidorm Battle series here on the channel. There's so many things that you're able to get information about here on the channel. Nearby, going towards the Mediterranean Avenue Med 23 pub, probably it's because it's Mediterranean Avenue number 23. I never knew why the name, but just right now it hit us. We are on the Mediterranean Avenue and it's number 23, so probably that is where the name came from. Also quite a busy place usually, especially in the evenings. They have a lot of offers for pints, different types of drinks, buckets, cocktails, big jugs as well. And it's just like a typical bar. People go here on the Mediterranean Avenue. Quite some police officers still here. Usually there's quite a lot of them here in August and all year long. Honestly, we have a lot of police protection. They're everywhere. And we really appreciate it because it makes it a safer city when there's so many police movements, especially in the touristic areas, when there's cars passing by constantly and police motorcycles as well. Overall, it just gives you a real sense of safety, and all the cameras that are located here nearby. It's just very nice. Joselito shops here, a barber and a very nice men's cut shop. My husband actually goes here and they do cut really well how he likes it, and they're able to adapt to the style, whichever style men's cut is needed. So very nice place, and it's located right here by the Levante beach. So if you need anything, that's the place to go. Right nearby, we have the Levante beach. And as you can see on these streets, there is a blue line because someone asked us in the comments not so long ago on what's with the parking here. So the blue line is for paid zone. Blue line is for the paid zone, which means that you pay from 9 till 2, from 4 till 9 in the summer and till 8 in winter. €1 for every 2 hours. You can have a mobile app and just top it up there with a card, or you can just put tickets every 2 hours. This is Monday to Friday. Saturday is half of the day, and Sundays and festivities, it is free of charge. Then there's other areas. White one is a general one, free of charge, no restrictions. Red and green one are only for residents. You cannot park there at all. Doesn't matter if you're staying here somewhere nearby. You cannot do that. And basically that's how it works. And then private parkings here nearby. Oh, the Levante beach. Look at, that's interesting because it doesn't look that busy at all. And there's a yellow flag. There's still a yellow flag. This flag means that there's jellyfish. Not the jellyfish, but they put a flag like it would be a jellyfish, but it is because first of all, there's jellyfish in the sea, slightly further away. And there's also blue dragons, which are like these teeny tiny things. We've spoken about it in the latest news update this Monday, yesterday. So check it out if you didn't, because these are like blue dragons. They're like small thingies that are extremely dangerous. They provoke a lot of symptoms on people, and it's not really good. So don't touch them. Don't do anything with them. Don't hunt them. Don't do anything at all. If you can, avoid them at all costs, because these cause a lot of health issues. So see, another police car, another police vehicle. Just told you there's a good surveillance here, and there's always safety here, plenty of cameras. And there you go, another police car. It looks like they're hearing us. Obviously, they see all the videos. We know about it. By now, they know us very well already, and they do see all the videos. Well, at least the vast majority of them, the ones that they're interested in. But yeah, that's good because, see, they are actually protecting the area. But there is a huge change. The beach here, not as busy at all. There's some boats here that do travel like around the bay of Benidorm for people to enjoy the views. These almost empty. Look at that. The beachfront and the promenade. Look at this. On the promenade, there's also not as many people, honestly, right now. And it's not even nighttime. It's like, it's around 4:30 by now, 5 p.m. But this is what the atmosphere looks like. Not packed up. Obviously, it's not weekend. By now, the tourism shift will be noticeable mostly from Monday to Thursday. It's going to be slightly quieter. However, the boom will be continuing from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's how it's going to be from now onwards, and how it's outside the peak summer season, especially starting from September. Usually that is the case. So from Thursday to Sunday, packed up to the top. And then Monday to Thursday, it's going to be slightly quieter. There's going to be quite a lot of people, but nothing overwhelming whatsoever from now onwards. Even the Tiki Beach, look at that. There's quite a bit of people here, but there's plenty of seating areas. There's plenty of tables still that are not occupied. And this looks like a typical day outside of a peak summer season. This is actually quite interesting. This is nice, but people are having their best day here, and even us locals could stay on the sunshine right now because it's tolerable. Right now, it's like the best time of summer. It's still hot, it's still summer, but there's no heat waves. You can sit on the sunshine, actually. Not for so long, probably not for hours and hours, but you can tolerate it, which is great. Great news. Meanwhile, quite a bit of people are here sheltering in the shade with fresh air, with the sea right in front of them, grabbing some cocktails and relaxing before they head back to the city. Nearby places, not as busy. The Banana, that's like a cocktail pub. English breakfast, they also offer summer deals. 2 pints, San Miguel, plus 1 combo, €15. Oh, that's interesting. Some typical cocktails here, mostly from 5 to like 7 euros. That's the typical thing. Here we have the Miller's Beach as well. This is the place that does a silent disco, and they do like general music sessions here. See, silent disco every night, free entry, beach parties. There's the Stagman. I think he's also here nearby, always in the Miller's Beach, if I'm not wrong. So this is like a party place by the seaside. More places here for offers on cocktails, breakfast. This is like a steakhouse, but it's like a rock and roll steakhouse. So it has live music. Look at that. Every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's not every day now already any longer. In general, like a lot of places here, they in summer, in the peak summer season, they tend to have entertainment throughout the whole entire week from Monday to Sunday. But on outside of a peak season, many places only stick to the entertainment, like full entertainment, from Thursday to Sunday, because that's when it's the busiest. Nearby restaurants, ooh, we have to try that Indian restaurant. We always walk past it and we never go. We have to actually try it. Quite a bit of traffic here on the Mediterranean Avenue as usual. Quite a bit of cars, but that's like a moment thing. And then right there in front, you can see it's absolutely empty. So that's like a moment probably thing out here. Quite busy. Some people walking down the Mediterranean Avenue. There's quite a lot of businesses here, interesting businesses, by the way. If you've never been here, check it out, explore the avenue. This is the Avenue of Philippines, which is where the beer garden is located. Some hotels such as Hotel Presidente, Gold Arcos, Helios, and that's a straight road between the beach and the Sunday's market. Beer garden is great because they have bucket deals still for between 10 and 12 euros, which is great if you're coming several people of you and you want to get a good deal on drinks, mostly beers though. But still, you can get quite a nice price for them. Typical supermarkets, like gift shops, they are rebranding themselves and they put nice logos with nice pictures, probably to attract more tourists. But it's still the same. It's still the same type of supermarket. The Brit station here, as you could have seen, changed the logo. They've changed the coloring on it as well. They've added yellow and blue bus, and on the inside also some yellow colors. Not sure why, no one knows. And the giant logo also has yellow colors. I have no idea why, honestly, but this is how they rebranded. It's slightly unexpected because yellow doesn't really make any sense unless there's something in stations in the UK that has this color, but I'm not sure. Still, it's a very good place. It is popular amongst different types of tourists of all ages. Quite a lot of people are coming here on a daily basis to grab some drinks, to just sit down, have a chat, if they don't want anything like too noisy. Rocky's Pub, and we're back to the British Street, by the way. Rocky's Pub here, all the family. Oh, I didn't know it's like a family-friendly place. That's interesting, because it doesn't look like one. See, that's the thing. It doesn't look like a family-friendly place, even though they say it. But it's good that they mention it. That's good to know. Rose and Crown, music, pub, bar, karaoke place, and a sports bar all in one. Quite popular. Typical traditional place here on the British Street. Quite a lot of people visited it on a day-to-day basis. They have quite a lot of regular clients too. And those who come here every now and then whilst on holidays. Queen's Arms, also one of these that have opened up, but I do not see so many people out there. Maybe at night it's gonna be obviously busier, but there's just a couple of people here on the inside. One table, and that's that. There's just one table here. That's interesting. Oh, they have karaoke competition. This is how the British Street in general looks like, and the Levante Beach and Benidorm town itself, all the most popular touristic areas. This is what the atmosphere is looking like right now. Full speed heading into September.